The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has been formally unveiled, and it finally has the improvement that we've all been waiting for. This will undoubtedly be the finest folding smartphone to date. The first news of the day is that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be released sooner than anticipated, according to Samsung. Samsung's Tian Ro, head of the mobile experience, recently disclosed that the launch date as well as the location would change for the Z Fold 5. Now, he claimed that the 27th Unpacked event would actually take place in South Korea and that it would take place in July rather than August. Although we are unsure of the exact date in July at this time, the official invitations will undoubtedly be delivered very soon, and it is believed that the launch has been moved up due to increased competition in the foldable market. Some found it startling that the design mostly stayed the same as that of its predecessor, and for those who didn't believe it, we now have further information. Now that Icy Universe has tweeted images of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 clear protective cover, it is evident that the design is the same as before. Now that we are so close to launch, we can be absolutely certain that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will appear like this. Case makers do get the CAD early in time to prepare. Now that you've seen them side by side, you can tell that they are almost similar, and it seems that the bezels will be the same as well. Watch Universe also tweeted about the Galaxy Z Fold 5's outside screen protection. Next, we have a newsletter that, despite earlier reports that it wouldn't materialize, dust resistance will finally be a component of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Chunbi tweeted that both the Z Fold 5 and the Flip 5 would be IP58 resistant, which entails water and dust resistance. Since you won't often totally immerse your phone in water but will frequently come into touch with dust resistance is perhaps far more crucial than water resistance. The phone can now be totally flattened owing to a new water drop style hinge, which also makes it dust resistant. According to TechRev on Twitter, the only drawback of this new hinge is that it won't execute the freestop feature as accurately as the old hinge. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.